Welcome to my channel, Basic Learning for Kids. Beginning sounds mean first letter of the picture. Apple, beginning sound is a apple. Bag, beginning sound bag. Cat, beginning sound cat. Duck, beginning sound duck, the duck. Elephant, beginning sound e, the elephant. Fan, beginning sound f, the fan. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel.